Hello guys, today we'll make an infinity card, a card that will you open up and then another design will come up. So first is we have to have our card stock. So here I have two pieces. It is to be cut into 4 equal pieces. Up to you if it's be square or rectangle, but for me I'll make it maybe rectangles, and as long as it's in equally divided or equally in equal sizes, you can make the opening and changing of the cards smooth. It is the most important part. It should be all in equal sizes. Four pieces of card to be put together as one to make the infinity card. And next is glue. So I'm gonna use a glue stick to stick them together. Then of course scissors we will use to cut the piece of paper, and here any ruler or straightedge that you can use to make sure that your work is straight. You can also use this a cutting mat, so if you're using a cutter, so your table won't be damaged. And next is your drawing materials when you start to design your card. For me, I use pencil, of course, eraser, and some pens. I have here a brown pen and some white gel pen, and my alcohol markers here. I'll use my touch 5 here. I'll use my touch 5 markers here. So first let's cut the paper. First, okay, I have here an A4 size cardstock or any piece of paper you want, as long as we can cut it into 4 equally sized pieces. So I'll be using my mat here as a guide. I'll just take this measurement here, this square here, 10 cm and 14 at 14. Wait, let's see if this card can, a single piece can make all the 4 cards we need. So yeah, one piece of cardstock A4 size can make this 10 by 14. So let's mark where we should cut our paper. Make sure the edges are on the line, so any point or line you're gonna draw is straight. So and the other side. Be careful of scissors, because if your kids who are following this tutorial, you should ask your mom or your dad or older sister or brother to cut the paper for you. Be careful of sharp edges. I think that's nice enough. Okay, let's cut it into 4 individual pieces. There, I have 4 pieces of card, and now let's draw on them. Now we have illustrations. We'll cut it lengthwise and crosswise. Then we'll fold it in. We'll fold all the cut pictures. First lengthwise in half, then crosswise in half, then in fourths. So we'll do this to all of the cutout. Lengthwise and crosswise, then in fourths. There, so first is first lengthwise one, so flip, flip, then glue the four corners. Then one cut in crosswise, so other one. Then open. It'll be folded in the guidelines you folded earlier. Then okay. Charan. 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 Here. Then here, another picture. Another picture. And another picture. Our infinite card is now complete. Yay! Done. Bye.